I like weekdays, W-E-A-K, because I've never benched anything above 350A. I like saying I can 1v3 because I actually can, and TSB in real life and you don't want to stand. Do these lyrics actually have meaning? Nah, they probably don't, because the only one behind the mic is an actual dope. I like water when it isn't in my lungs.
Yeah, me too, bro.
Have you ever watched Mr. Beast when he had a bee sting? Every single video I'd be munching on some onion rings. I need some video ideas because I'm running low. This channel is probably about to go. Yeah, so I kind of gonna turn into Gordon Ramsay. I just saved beans out of my fridge and locked it. I just got a Nerf gun out and then I cocked it. I just tried to reboot my toaster and it said no. Then I pulled out a bomb and then said you're about to go. I went to a car dealership asking for motorcycles. They told me to get lost and now I'm in the deep dark. I threatened my cat with a job application. He started talking for the first time and now I have a new rug. Have you ever wanted to give a polar bear a hug? I once had a slap fight with a penguin. I think I won because he was lying on the ground looking like bacon.
Okay, I'm gonna have to shut up, little bro. You've been yapping like freaking steak for all I know.
I can only count to 4.
Yeah, it figures, you stupid toe.
You just say I'm a toe? Well, that's kind of low, because literally, they're on the floor, bro.
That was the stupidest thing I've ever heard.
Then don't listen to a voice recording of yourself, turd.